Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do you stop chocolate sticking to a mold? Wash your candy molds thoroughly at least a day in advance of when you plan to use them. Dry them with towels. Pour your melted chocolate into the molds as usual. Refrigerate your chocolate molds until the chocolate has completely hardened.
Let's help you make your mark.
Chocolate naturally has quite a bit of fat in its makeup. Because this is the case, it is not necessary to grease chocolate molds when making candy, as you do with pans when baking cakes or cookies. Chocolate candies must be completely hard in order to cleanly pop out of their molds.
Let's help you make your mark.
Do you spray chocolate molds? No need to spray or coat chocolate molds with any type of oil. As long as you use the proper molding chocolate and let it completely set in the refrigerator, your chocolate will easily release on its own. 20 August 2019.
Take our lead.
There are two kinds of chocolate you can use for making molded chocolates. Couverture. Couverture is high-quality chocolate. Dark chocolate couverture contains cocoa liquor, sugar, cocoa butter, and vanilla. Confectionery coating. Confectionery coating is not true chocolate, although it may contain cocoa liquor. The 19th of December 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.